The world was abuzz with excitement as NASA announced that they had finally opened a time capsule from space, holding samples from the asteroid Bennu that has been hurtling towards Earth for decades. The anticipation was palpable as scientists and space enthusiasts eagerly awaited what treasures and revelations lay inside. However, what they found inside left them stunned and shocked beyond belief. The time capsule's contents were like nothing anyone had ever seen before, and it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. What exactly did NASA find? What will NASA do with the material collected? Stay tuned as we explore these questions in this video. Bennu, an asteroid weighing a staggering 80 million tons, has remained untouched since the formation of our solar system. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, an abbreviation for Origin Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security Regolith Explorer, has successfully retrieved a portion of the asteroid's mass and delivered it safely to Earth. The sample container holding this precious material landed securely in the Utah desert, sealed and ready for thorough examination by scientists both now and in the future. This historic feat was not an easy one, as OSIRIS-REx faced significant challenges on its way to Bennu. The journey took 4 years and covered a distance of 2 billion kilometers to finally arrive at the asteroid in 2018. Upon arrival, the spacecraft had the complex task of surveying Bennu's physical characteristics, including its shape, surface attributes, gravity, and composition. Additionally, OSIRIS-REx had to skillfully maneuver to avoid the frequent release of rocks and dust created by Bennu, which posed a potential threat to the spacecraft. In October of 2020, OSIRIS-REx carefully and successfully tapped Bennu's surface and collected a significant regolith sample. While this is not the first time a sample has been collected from an asteroid, it is the largest amount gathered to date. NASA estimates that the sealed sample container contains no less than 250 grams of material, with some predictions suggesting it could be as much as a whole kilogram. The potential scientific value of this material is immeasurable and is expected to revolutionize our understanding of asteroids, providing unprecedented insights into their composition, formation, and evolution. The recent Hayabusa 2 mission in Japan has been deemed a resounding success, as it is returned with a minuscule amount of 5.6 grams of dust and gas collected from the asteroid Ryugu. Similarly, the OSIRIS-REx mission returned to Earth on September 24th, releasing the return capsule into the atmosphere on Sunday morning. The spacecraft then continued on to its next mission, to explore and study asteroid Apophis, the asteroid that has the potential to come dangerously close to Earth in 2029. The capsule was safely parachuted to land in the government's Utah Test and Training Range following its descent. A helicopter was then deployed to retrieve the capsule, which was subsequently flown to a nearby hangar that NASA specially constructed to serve as a temporary cleanroom. Within this facility, highly skilled technicians meticulously verified that the sample was still carefully sealed inside the lander module. The prospect of holding a piece of outer space in one's hand is undoubtedly thrilling, and a select group of scientists have the opportunity to experience this sensation now that NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft has returned from its 7-year mission. NASA's Johnson Space Center received the capsule and carefully opened it inside a special glove box to guarantee its purity. After opening the lid, NASA discovered what they called black dust and debris, which most likely came from Bennu when the rocky sample from its surface was collected back in 2020. Then it was time to open the main container that would unveil many shocking facts. Let's find out what the samples from the most dangerous rock in the solar system have brought to Earth. Finding dust and debris on the spacecraft. The OSIRIS-REx team felt exultant upon sighting their capsule on long-range cameras. Professor Neil Bowles of the esteemed University of Oxford expressed his immense relief upon witnessing the safe return of the capsule that contained the space rocks. The sheer magnitude of the scientific discoveries ahead left him awestruck with wonder and amazement. The rocks comprising asteroid Bennu have been estimated to be around 4.6 billion years old, making them some of the oldest materials formed in our solar system. An additional bonus sample composed of overflow material was immediately examined using electron microscopes and X-ray tools. In this material, researchers identified a significant amount of carbon, constituting almost 5% of its weight. Additionally, they detected water molecules trapped within the crystalline structure of clay fibers. Scientists also uncovered the presence of iron minerals, specifically iron sulfides and iron oxides, suggesting that these materials likely formed in a water-rich environment. Daniel Glavin, a senior sample scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, said early analysis found the material seems to be loaded with organics. The presence of abundant carbon and water suggests that the asteroid's composition might contain the fundamental elements necessary for the potential origins of life on our planet. The OSIRIS-REx sample is the biggest carbon-rich asteroid sample ever delivered to Earth and will help scientists investigate the origins of life on our own planet for generations to come, said NASA Administrator Bill Nelson. Additionally, the data gleaned from these samples will shed light on how these materials came together to create habitable environments suitable for life. Over the next 2 years, the scientific team leading the mission will continue studying the collected samples to meet their research goals. NASA will keep at least 70% of the samples at the Johnson Space Center for scientists worldwide to use, including future generations of researchers. Within the framework of the OSIRIS-REx scientific initiative, an extensive group of over 200 scientists from around the world will study the properties of the regolith. Some samples will also be shared with the Smithsonian Institution, Space Center Houston, and the University of Arizona for public display later this year. By studying potentially hazardous asteroids like Bennu, we can enhance our preparedness for future asteroid encounters. This knowledge can be vital in protecting our planet from the threat of an asteroid impact, which has the potential to cause widespread destruction and loss of life. The Bennu mission represents a significant step forward in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The sample collected will be analyzed in great detail, unlocking the secrets of our remarkable solar system. Overall, NASA's opening of the time capsule from space was indeed a shocking experience. The capsule's contents not only revealed the progress and achievements of human beings in space exploration, but also highlighted the unpredictable nature of the universe. It reminds us that despite our advancements, we still have much to learn and discover about the cosmos. The time capsule serves as a time capsule for the present and future generations, showcasing our journey in space and the mysteries that still await us. We hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please be sure to share your thoughts down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future space-related updates. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.